Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Venmo easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap on the icon for your balance at the top of the screen. Select Manage Budget from the drop-down menu. Choose the budget category you want to set, such as groceries, dining, or entertainment. Enter the amount you plan to spend in that category for the month. Review any existing transactions in that category to help with your decision. Tap Save once you've set your budget limit. Repeat the process for any additional categories you want to manage. To track your spending, go back to the Manage Budgets section. Here you'll see your spending compared to your budget limits. Monitor this section regularly to stay updated on your finances. If you overspend in one category, adjust your budget to reflect this change. Use Venmo's note feature to add details about each transaction as you go. This will help you remember why you made each purchase. Consider linking your Venmo account to your bank account for easy transfers. Check your balance frequently to ensure you stay within your budget. By using Venmo to budget, you can simplify your financial management. When you reach the end of the month, review your spending trends. Make adjustments to your budget for the upcoming month based on this review. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process, and it's okay to tweak your limits as needed. Utilize Venmo's features to make budgeting easier and more engaging. With these steps, you can take control of your finances with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.